Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our chapter 17, that is making nouns from verbs. In this chapter, some verbs are given to us and we can make them noun by adding like er, or, ment, ion, ation at the end of the verbs. Now first we take by adding er. Now if we add er at the end of a verb, we can make it a noun like advise, advisor, manage, manager. It is already in these two words are already ending with e, so we'll add just r at the end so that it will make a noun. Bind, it is ending with d, so we will add er at the end so that it will become binder, and binder is a noun. Similar way, play, player, command, commander, reform, reformer. Like this we can make them nouns. Now another way of making noun from given verbs is by adding or. Like we have been given the spelling of calculate, we can make it a noun by adding or and by removing e at the end of calculate. This is e na, we'll remove it so that it will become calculator and we add or. Fine. Similar way, jail, jailer, here we add just or. Decorate, decorator, sail, sailor, instruct, instructor, and so on. Now we can also make nouns by adding ment. Fine. Now the verb is acknowledge, and if we add ment in this verb, we can make it a noun like acknowledgement. Achieve, achievement. Advertise, advertisement. Agree, agreement. Allot, allotment, and so on. Like this we can also make them nouns. Another way is by adding ion, like act, action, attract, attraction, celebrate, celebration. There may be a change in spellings in case we make them nouns. So we can make nouns from the verbs given like this. Now another way is by adding ation to the verb, given verb, like cancel. Cancel is the verb, and if we have to make it a noun, we have to make it like this, cancellation. What we did here, we add one lation, and here is written that a change in spelling may occur while making a noun from a verb. Declare, declaration. Explain, explanation. Explore, exploration. Examine, examination. Like this we can make nouns from the verbs, and in all these cases that we have studied, there is a change in spelling, or we can say there may be a change in spelling while making a noun from a verb. Now there are 3 exercises in this chapter. First is fill in the blanks by using noun forms of the verbs given in brackets. Now we have been given the noun forms of verbs in the brackets and we have to fill in the blanks. Like he had made some mistake in dash. Calculate is given to us, and how we can make it a noun? By adding ion so that it will become calculation. Fine. Now calculate is verb and calculation is noun, and we have been given the verbs. Fine. And we have to fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the given verbs. In the same way, each speaker in the debate was given 5 minutes. Here the verb is speak, and we are making it a noun by adding er, and it will become speaker. Same way, a worker fell down from the second floor and was seriously injured. Here the verb is work, and what is the noun for this verb is worker. We have to fill in the blanks by using the noun forms of the given verbs. Now come to the exercise B. In exercise B, we just have to simply make nouns from the following verbs. Means verbs are given to us like we did in the examples, and we have to make their nouns. Like circulate, it will become circulation. Judge, judgment. Substitute, substitution. Prosecute, prosecution. Bathe, bath. Decide, decision. In this way you have to make the nouns from the given verbs. Now come to exercise C. In exercise C, there is a crossword given to us, and we have been given verbs also, and from these verbs we have to complete this crossword by filling nouns in it. Fine. In this way we have to complete, like explore is the verb, what will be its noun? Exploration. And how we can write down here exploration, because it is given in the down form. Subtract, it will become subtraction, like this. Third is decide, it will become decision. Fine. In this way we can do. And across also we can do like this. Alter is alteration, precipitate is precipitation. See here. Now this way we have to do it. Now this is our chapter 17, and I hope it is very easy, and you can do these exercises also with the help of the examples given or with the help of the explanation. So read out the following examples and the chapter carefully in order to do the exercises also. Fine. And I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.